Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Did you know that millions of businesses around the world rely on Stripe to power their payments? In fact, Stripe processed over $817 billion in payments last year. Over 70% of online businesses are using Stripe for their payment processing. But here's the thing, many online business owners are missing out on huge benefits by not using an LLC alongside Stripe. Could starting an LLC change the way you handle your payments forever? Absolutely. Hey, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I've got an essential guide for all you entrepreneurs, freelancers, and e-commerce store owners. If you've been wondering how to set up a Stripe account with a US LLC, you're in the right place. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bazee. Bazee is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bazee is also given in the description box down below. Setting up Stripe can protect your personal assets, improve business credibility, and unlock the full potential of your online business. And don't worry, whether you're based in the US or not, this guide has got you covered. Let's understand how to create a Stripe account with a US LLC, with step-by-step guide. But first, why use a US LLC with Stripe? Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly talk about why you should use a US LLC with Stripe. Protect your assets. Keeps your personal assets safe from business liabilities. Stripe compliance. Stripe often requires a business entity to unlock full features. Tax benefits. LLCs provide flexible tax options, like pass-through taxation. Professionalism. Running your payments through an LLC builds trust with clients and customers. If you're thinking of scaling your online business or offering subscription services, this is the way to go. Now, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Forming a US LLC. If you don't have a US LLC yet, here's what you need to do. First, choose a state. Delaware or Wyoming are popular choices. Delaware has legal perks, and Wyoming offers privacy. Then, get an EIN. You need an Employer Identification Number (EIN) from the IRS. It's super easy to apply online. Open a business bank account. Use your EIN and LLC documents to open a bank account. Stripe requires a valid business account for payouts. Virtual business address. If you don't have a physical US address, services like Bazee provide virtual addresses. Step 2. Registering your Stripe account. Okay, once your LLC is set up, it's time to register your Stripe account and connecting your bank account. Let's walk through the steps. Create a Stripe account. Visit stripe.com and register with your email. Add your LLC details, including EIN and business address. Link a business bank account. Use your LLC's bank account to receive payouts. Stripe requires a routing number and account number, so have those ready. That's it. Once verified, use Stripe's test mode to ensure everything works before you start processing real payments. You don't want to miss any issues before your customers start paying, right? Run a couple of test payments to make sure everything works perfectly. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bazee, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bazee provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, BZ is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. BZ is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. BZ is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the BZ dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, BZ will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. Now, let's dive into some pro tips for non-US residents. For all the non-US entrepreneurs watching, I've got some important tips for you. Virtual address services. Use platforms like BZ, they provide virtual business address in the US. No SSN, no problem. You don't need a social security number, SSN, to register a US LLC. An EIN will do the job for both Stripe registration and tax reporting. BZ can help non-residents with everything, from forming an LLC to opening a US business bank account. With these informations, non-US residents can easily tap into the US market, process payments smoothly, and enjoy all the benefits of Stripe. So, here's a quick recap. Forming a US LLC protects your personal assets and simplifies your taxes. A business bank account linked with Stripe ensures smooth payouts. Even if you're outside the US, services like BZ make it easy to set up an LLC. Finally, let's close and call to action. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to set up a Stripe account with a US LLC. Whether you're starting a new business, selling online, or scaling your services, this setup will give you peace of mind, tax benefits, and a smooth payment experience. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on business and entrepreneurship. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time, and as always, thank you.